Welcome to Online Metals. This video will show you how to submit custom quotes for material. Once you've logged into your account on the main page, scroll down to My Orders and Quotes. Click on View My Quotes. This section shows all of your quotes. You can use the Time drop-down menu or the All Quotes, Pending Quotes, or Expired Quotes tabs to filter what you want. You can also use the search bar on the right side to look up specific quotes that you have placed. Below the search bar on the right, you will see the Request a New Quote. Fill out the required information, then add materials that you need quoted. You can also add notes to adjust the size, quantity, lineal feet, weight, and whatever else you may need. You can also indicate if your quoted material will need certs. Once everything is added and selected, submit the quote, and an Online Metals sales team representative will put it together for you and respond as soon as possible. Thank you for shopping at Online Metals.